today will be the day 5 of Linux. I have already uploaded day 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4 in my YouTube channel. You can go to playlist section and you can check the Linux. Okay, today we are going to identify some commands and how to work on that commands. Okay, let me show you the slide. Right, type is a shell built-in command and which displays the kind of command. Right, if you execute type ls, right, it will give some extra information about your command. So I will show you practically. Okay, which displays the executable location. What is the executable location of your command, which will start. Okay, you know about help, right? You can able to see help, right, using help, or you can execute ls -f help. You know about manual, right? If you use man ls, you will get the manual. And info also display the complete information, info ls. So shall we do this practically? No. Now what I will do, pyp type ls. Okay, ls is an alias. Type cd, right? Cd is a shell built in, so nothing but your command information will be provided by type which ls. So it will show you an executable location, ls -help. Okay, or info ls. Okay, and what? Okay, help cd, right? Like this, every command information will be provided. Okay, man ls, right? ls is a list directory contents. So using this man, you can get all manual of your update particular command, what that command will helps. So you can read out, these are the options. Using ls you can able to execute. Okay, I will just enter q, I will come out. Now let's go back to next slide. Okay, so now another one was pipelines. In Linux you can execute commands, right? So what is this pipeline will help us? Commands to read output of command as input to other command. So you can pass multiple commands using by differentiating this pipeline, right? This is general operator dividing with this pipeline. So pipelines are often used to perform complex operations on data, right? If I execute ls-al, okay, ls-al /bin /user /bin. So whenever you execute, you are getting two, right? Two side by side. You can do one extra. Nothing but I want to display on the sorting order. Sort is nothing but it will display on the like a particular order. So sorry, control C. Sort I will enter ls. So if you see, now you got an order, right? I will enter. Like this you can able to read. So sort is nothing but it will get the information about in sorted form. That's it. Okay. Now you can, if you want to see what is the word count, then you can able to execute this command. Sort what is the unique number of commands. Okay. Unique word count. Right, there are total 963 word counts are there. So like this, using pipeline you can pass multiple commands. I hope you got and clarity. So now we are going to discuss about these expansions, different types of expansions, right? Each time, okay. So each time we type a command and press enter key, right? Bash performs several substitutions upon text before command is executed. So the process that makes it happen is called expansion. So what is the meaning of this? Each time we will type a command and press enter. What then after bash performs several substitutions upon text before the command is executed. The process that makes this happen is called expansion. So whatever the command you are executing, right? Echo, ls, everything was called as an expansion. Okay. Now what I will do, echo, let me try to create a new folder called as demo. I will go inside this demo, echo star, right? I'm getting star ls, so there is nothing in this directory. Now what I will do, touch 1.txt, touch 2.txt. Now I will execute echo star, right? Star is nothing but, what is the meaning of echo star? Echo star is nothing but try to go and search for a file. All star is nothing but all whatever present in the current working directory. Okay. So what happened, star is a wildcard character. So your bash will try to find any character in the files present in the current working directory. So initially when we executed, there is no files in current working directory, so it's printed star. So whenever you execute echo star, you will get the star as output if there is no files present in this current working directory. Then after what I have done, I have just created two more files. Then if I execute echo star, you will get all the files which is created. So my this one and .txt files which are created by me. This is what I have written here. Okay. Now there will be a path name expansion. Okay. Now what I will do, mkdir demo mkdir src. So you can search your folder name with star, echo star d, right? Echo d star, right? Only starting with d, display the folder names. So I want to get a folder name which is starting with d, then it will display the folder name only which is starting with d. Okay, thus that is what I added the example. Echo ending with c, star c, right? There is a src folder was present. So like this you can search for folders echo d star or echo star c, like that you can able to search. This is known as path name expansion. So there is one more, is tilde expansion. If you execute echo tilde symbol, it will display your home directory. This tilde is nothing but tilde expansion. So in Linux there will be multiple expansions. I have shown you this tilde expansion, right? Now there is a arithmetic expansion as well. Nothing but you can do addition, subtraction, division, everything. Now I will show you. I will try to create echo dollar bracket 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 2 plus 2 star 4 into 4. Okay, so double brackets, double brackets. So now what it will do, it will add 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, right? 4 into 4, 16. So like this you can do addition, subtraction, division. So try to experiment all these commands, right? I just shown you one example. If you want to do division, subtraction, you can do from your side. Okay, another one was brace expansion. Nothing but you can able to create any file. Okay, so let me show you some expansion. Echo Linux okay 1 10 10 Linux. So if you see what I did, starting with 1 ending up to 10. So 1 comma Linux, 2 comma Linux, 3 comma Linux, like that. Using this method, using this expansion, you can create multiple folders. Now what I will do, mkdir okay 1 dash dash 10. Okay, I will execute demo dash. There is a typo, mkdir ls, right? Demo 1, demo 2, demo 3, demo 4, demo 5, like at a time you can able to create using this expansion, right? That's what I've written here, suppress expansion. So one more thing, Linux directory structure, this is very important, right? There will be a root directory, home, bin, etc, right? So you will be having this directory structure. I'm showing you this on every day because it's very important. So yeah, if you are liking my videos, you can support this. You can scan this QR code and you can do the payment. Or if you want a real-time training in Devops, right, you can call to my mobile number. If you are from other countries apart from India, you can directly ping me on WhatsApp or you can call me on WhatsApp. My number was, my Google Pay or WhatsApp number was same, 8500411173. So if you don't have QR code to scan, you can do phone pay or Google Pay to this number 8500411173. Okay, next step, tomorrow we are going to continue some more concepts on Linux. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Let's meet again on tomorrow.